AI is becoming more integrated into everyday life, and using it is easier than ever. Here's a simple guide on how to use AI in various aspects of your daily routine. 1. Voice assistants, Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. 1. How to use. Activate the voice assistant by saying a trigger phrase, e.g., "Hey Siri, Alexa," or "OK Google." 1. You can ask questions, set reminders, control smart home devices, or play music. 2. Example. "Hey Google, what's the weather today? Alexa, play my favorite playlist." 2. AI for communication, email, texts, etc. 1. How to use. Many email and messaging apps now integrate AI to help you write and reply more efficiently. 1. Tools like Gmail's Smart Compose or ChatGPT can suggest responses or help you draft messages. 2. Example. Open Gmail right pointing arrow, start a new message right pointing arrow. AI suggests complete sentences as you type. On your phone, AI might suggest quick text responses based on the conversation. 3. AI for personalization, shopping, recommendations. 1. How to use. Online stores and streaming services use AI to suggest products, shows, or songs based on your preferences. 1. The more you use them, the more accurate the recommendations become. 2. Example. On Amazon, after viewing a few items, you'll get personalized suggestions. Spotify will recommend playlists and songs based on your listening habits. 4. AI in social media.